Welcome, math enthusiasts. In this video we're going to look at infinite limits, and we're going to use their properties to find the value of a limit given two functions. And we're going to make a new function, and we're going to find its limit. Alright, so in this case we're going to say that the limit as x approaches c of f of x, so the function f of x approaches a number. We don't give that number, so we'll just give it in general, approaches infinity, negative infinity, and the limit as x approaches c of g of x equals 3. So let's make a new function. Let's find this limit as x approaches c of f of x plus g of x. So the property says that property of infinite limits says that when you add negative infinity, the value of each limit, because the value of this function of this is gonna be the addition of the limits. So we're gonna get in negative infinity plus 3, we're gonna get negative infinity. So if we add 3 to negative infinity, we're gonna get negative infinity. Similarly, if we do x approaches c of f of x minus g of x, 3 is very insignificant, that the limit is still negative infinity, because negative infinity minus 3 is gonna still be negative infinity, because 3 is very insignificant compared to this very small number. Let's look at two more of this kind. So we're gonna have limit as x approaches c of g of x over f of x. This is the same thing as 3 over negative infinity, so we're gonna get 0, 0. You usually don't do like this, but for doing this type of problem, it's useful to do it like this. I didn't do it for addition and subtraction, but you can still do it. So, and then the last one, we're gonna do it similarly, as limit as x approaches c of f of x times g of x is gonna be negative infinity, because g of x is 3. We're gonna put 3 here. Positive times a negative is still gonna be negative, so it's gonna be negative infinity. Remember, this infinity is so much smaller. It's such a small number that when you multiply, you're still gonna get negative infinity. So that's your answer. So that's it for this kind of to find limits with infinite limits properties. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube videos, and see you next time. Thank you.